Hello everyone, my name is Stefi. In this video, I will be introducing the topic that I chose, that is morphology, an important topic in linguistics. Okay, first of all, I will tell you guys the definition of linguistics. So, linguistics is the scientific study of language. It covers many areas, and one of them is morphology. So, what is morphology? Let's find out. Morphology is the study of morphemes, which is the smallest unit of a word that has meaning. Morphology helps us understand how words are formed and how those words change to convey different meanings. For example, the word unhappiness. The word unhappiness can be broken down into three morphemes: un, happy, and ness. Each part has its own meaning and function. Morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning or grammatical function in a language. For example, the word cats. Now cats is one word in English, but it has two morphemes, cat plus s. So we all know what a cat. It's furry, it has tail, it has paw, but there is the s. The s is suffix, which is also meaningful because it shows plural or more than one. So therefore, cats has two morphemes. Free morphemes. Free morphemes is the type of morphemes that can stand alone as words by themselves, like book, run, or happy. So there is two types of free morphemes. One is lexical morphemes, two is functional morphemes. Bound morphemes. Bound morphemes is the types of a morpheme that cannot stand alone and must be attached to another morphemes. Example is prefixes and suffixes, like an or ing. There are two types of bound morphemes. First is derivational morphemes and inflectional morphemes. Morph is the phonetic sound of a morpheme. A morpheme can have different sound forms. It's called allomorph. And in morphology, a plural morphemes and a past morphemes are types of inflectional morphemes that modify words to show grammatical relationship, like number for plural and time for past. Plural morphemes. This morpheme changes a singular noun into its plural form. For example, in cats, the s is a plural morpheme, showing more than one cat. Past morpheme. This morpheme changes a verb to indicate that the action happened in the past. For example, in walk, the ed is the past morpheme, showing that the action walked occurred in the past. Both of these are bound morphemes, meaning that they cannot stand alone and need to attach to a word. Words can be created in various ways. For example, the word happiness is formed by adding suffix ness to the adjective happy and turning it into a noun. First is affixation. It adding prefixes, suffixes, or infixes to a word to change its meanings for grammatical category. For example, prefixation and suffixation. The second is compound formation. Compound formation combining two or three morphemes to create a new word. For example, the third one is borrowing. Languages, including English, often adopt words from other languages. They come into contact with. For example, for conversion, they are changing the grammatical category of a word without changing its form. For example, in here, 5 is blends. Blends is combining parts of two words to create a new word. Next is invention. And the last one is echoism. So that is an explanation of the topic that I chose, that is morphology. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you found it helpful and interesting.